Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just received the female founded, this is the Glossy box for the month of June. The entire theme is products founded by female owners, which I am really excited to unbox and review. It's also a pretty hefty box. This one is jam-packed with products and we have 11 of them to talk about today. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Glossy box, female founded edition, stay tuned. All right, so jumping right in, hey Glossies, we wanted to put something special together that will inspire you. With an array of strong brands that have powerful female figures, we were able to create the first ever female-founded limited edition box. The curated box is filled with products for a full glam or a self-care day. Whatever you choose, let these founders help empower you to achieve your goals and self-care. If anyone can do it, the Glossies can. Now, this is a limited edition box, not like the June box, which I'm actually happy about. I love when they do these limited edition boxes, and I'm really excited to jump in. First item is a repeat item for me and one that I have used before. This is the Bloom and Blossom Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. This is a deluxe mini worth $15, but the full size is $21. Fast absorbing and ultra nourishing, this hand cream packs a punch. A 99% naturally derived formulation containing niacinamide, licorice root extract, and shea butter to hydrate, repair, brighten, and restore your hands after the dry winter months. Definitely a great product, and I love that this is a trial size because it's so easy to take on the go. Keep it in your car, keep it in your pocket, purse, whatever. So definitely a good one from me. Next is also a duplicate product. This is the Bloom Daydreamer Super Gentle Face Wash. Again, I love these boxes because for me, deluxe sizes are so easy to travel with. I hate checking a bag when I fly, and Brandon and I actually have a trip coming up. Already putting my travel skincare to the test and putting everything in for that because I hate having to check a bag. So everything over a certain size you have to check. So using these trial sizes for like a week vacation are perfect. The deluxe mini is worth $4. The creamy cleanser is packed with the best plant extracts. It is designed to effectively clean without stripping your skin of its natural healthy oils. Daydreamer is perfect for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling plump, supple after every wash, never tight or dry. Again, I do agree that it does have some great claims to it. Not my favorite cleanser in the world, but one that I would definitely use on a trip, especially the next trip we have. We're going to Florida, and I miss the humidity, so my skin will never feel stripped down there, whereas in Colorado, my skin feels so dry. Another repeat product for me, this is the Ciate London Wonderland Mascara. This is a mini worth $10. I have received full sizes of this from Ciate, and it is an okay mascara. Definitely not my favorite. However, create the ultimate fearless lashes with this mascara. This carbon black smudge-free formula creates intense 3D volume and curl and length with one swipe of its uniquely shaped wand. The travel size makes it perfect to throw in your bag on the go. I will agree that I got volume and I got length. I didn't find that I got a lot of curl with it, and obviously I need curl. My eyes are pretty hooded, so the fact that I didn't have any curl is why I didn't love this mascara. Next, from Deco Miami, this is a full-size Tequila Sunrise nail polish, which is a color that I pretty much will never use. It is a vibrant yellow, and other than, the one time a year where I do like rainbowy pride nails, I don't really love yellow on my nails. Retailing for $8, arriving in a beautiful bottle, the nail polish is exactly what you need to bring some brightness into spring. Luxurious and opaque, the formula only requires 2 to 3 coats for full coverage and pigment. A little definitely goes a long way. Additionally, I will say I do not use regular nail polish. It is gel or nothing, so definitely going to pass on that. Next up, from the brand FGBG, this is the Daily Dose Vitamin Gummies, retailing for $5. Beauty begins with how you feel, and their philosophy is if you feel great, you are great. Ethically sourced and handled with care, these gummies are formulated to support a healthy body so you can look and feel your best. Definitely not enough in here to know if you're going to like it other than the taste. So I love getting samples like this because you could see if it's something you are immediately repulsed by the flavor of. But as far as whether or not it does anything, obviously you're going to have to look into the ingredients and use it for a decent amount of time. So not a bad item to get in these kind of boxes. Definitely something to try. Next up, from the brand Floral Street, this is a $30 travel size perfume spray. Yellow tipped sunflowers from the brush of Van Gogh inspired this bright blend of mandarin, Calabrian bergamot, vegan honey accord, and a pop of Bellini accord. Sunflower pop is a vibrant citrus fruity blend to bring the feelings of joy and optimism. I don't love fruity, citrusy fragrances, so I'm going to pass on that. I like things that are a little warmer and muskier. The only one that I have liked that has any fruitiness in it would probably be the only one from Dolce & Gabbana, which has a little bit of orange citrus, but mixed into those earthy, woody, spiced vanilla notes. So anything that is pure fruit, I tend to pass on. Next, from the brand Fur, this is a deluxe size for $8. Safe for even the most sensitive areas, this signature blend of lightweight oils gently softens hair and clears pores for fewer ingrowns and healthier skin. It keeps your skin smooth and soothed while keeping your body, hair soft and hydrated. This is one of those things that you can use for anywhere, but it does say it's more for the sensitive regions, so not really something I'm interested in. Next, from Grande Lips, this is a product that I have used extensively. This is the clear one. I have it in multiple different colors, but get fuller lips, no strings attached. The high gloss volumizing lip plumper is infused with a nourishing cocktail of Volulip and hyaluronic acid instantly to improve lip volume in 3 to 5 minutes and hydrate dry areas, retailing for $27. Now I'm really excited for this because I've never used the clear one. I have it in a few other colors. It doesn't really sting, but there's a tiny bit of like mentally tingle, but definitely a great product. This is the same brand that makes the Grande Lash MD Lash Serum, which I love. I've been using that for years and it has given me the best growth and thickness and volume to my lashes. Next, from the brand Kish, this is one of those brands that I also have gotten a ton of products from. These are the Stargazer hair coils, a headache-free, kink-free, and perfect for every hair type. Telephone cord style hair ties are the perfect accessory, whether you're going for a stylish ponytail or a quick messy bun, or you just want to sleep with your hair tied. These coils are your new go-to, retailing for $5. This is an 8-pack, and they are really cute. I have had a bunch of people in the past who have said they love these, but they lose their shape very quickly. The tip is dip them very quickly into boiling water and they will return right back to their original size. Next, from the brand Monday Hair Care, this is the Smooth I'm for Frizzy and Dull Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. The minis are worth $2.99 each, so it's going to be a $6 value. The perfect duo is here, made with coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and more nourishing ingredients. This formula was designed for hair in need of extra hydration, including curly and coarse hair. It also combats frizz. Excited to give this a try because it is SLS, paraben, and cruelty-free. Definitely some great ingredients. It does have coconut in it, which on my face I don't like, but I don't mind it in my hair. It doesn't give me the same issues on the hair and scalp as it does on the face. And lastly, a product that I'm actually in love with and will be opening right away. This is the Touchland Power Mist Hand Sanitizer in the scent Berry Bliss. Retailing for $9, this dermatologist tested hydrating hand sanitizer is packed with good for you ingredients like vegan aloe vera and essential oils. Delivers 500 spritzes to keep your skin soft and smelling great while killing 99% of germs. I have never used this scent before, but I have used the product and it smells beautiful. So it is a light spritz, so it says 500, but I just used, I think, 6 for my hands. So definitely only going to get about 100 uses out of it. Doesn't leave a ton of like sticky tackiness, but it does smell beautiful. I'm actually going to put this right here on my filming desk because I do like to sanitize before I start filming because I'm touching my face the whole time. And I needed a new sanitizer here anyway. Now, this is such an exciting box, and most of the products in here are going to be wins for me. And the few I haven't tried, with the exception of like the nail polish, I am really excited to put to the test. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.